Hey everybody, it's Captain Keith with MarineMax. And this evening I'm with Jim McCowan from Raymarine. We're in Pompano Beach, cruising up the intercoastal, 8 o'clock at night. As a matter of fact, some of the best boating can be done at nighttime. It's not too hot. And this FLIR camera on this Raymarine Axiom unit is your set of eyes for you. We're pulling up to a bridge here right now. I can see clearly through the bridge. I can see the traffic coming across. If there's any boats coming at me, I can see them on there just plain as day.
Yeah, so this is a FLIR M232 thermal camera we have on the boat. So it's mounted up on the hardtop.
Yep.
This is a pan, tilt, and zoom camera. So I can actually move the camera around to look at things in any direction. I can turn it 360 degrees.
Okay.
The way I do it is actually via touch. I just drag my finger across the screen.
Right.
And the pan and tilt mechanism will just follow my finger. So.
Oh, okay, so now you can see which way the camera's gone. So
Yep.
we're looking at the restaurant over there.
Restaurant over there, yeah. Actually, all those black dots are actually people's hands. You
Yep.
can see, look, probably a waiter walking by.
Yep.
Anytime we want to get the camera back to the forward position, up here in the menu, you can just touch home.
Okay.
And the camera will snap right back to the forward position over the bow.
That's incredible. Are there different resolutions to these or different styles and different types?
There are. So the cameras come in a standard resolution, which is what this model is. We also have a high resolution option available as well.
People to get more information about this, how's the best way for them to get hold of you?
Sure. So this particular device is from our FLIR Maritime line, so you can learn more about it on raymarine.com or at FLIR.com.
Cool. So I'm telling you guys, if you're out at night, this is a game changer right here. It can save your life. It makes everything real easy to deal with. So check it out. Swing by MarineMax or check us out online and we can get you hooked up with this.